Iron Dome, Patriot, THAAD. 3 names, 3 very different jobs. And right now in 2026, active conflicts across Israel, the Gulf, and Ukraine are proving that confusing them is not just a technical error, it's a strategic one. Here's the misconception worth addressing up front. These are not competing systems, and no single one is the best. They are complementary layers in an integrated defense architecture, each one purpose-built for a specific threat type, a specific altitude band, and a specific operational role. Think of it as 3 concentric security perimeters. Different threats fly at different speeds, altitudes, and trajectories. Rockets hug the ground. Cruise missiles fly flat and low. Ballistic missiles arc high into the atmosphere before descending at speed. No single system can economically cover that entire range. That's exactly why layered defense exists. Let's start at the bottom layer, Iron Dome. Iron Dome is optimized for short-range threats. Rockets, artillery, mortars, and low-altitude attacks flying within roughly 4 to 70 kilometers. Its Tamir interceptor costs approximately $50,000 per shot, and it has achieved around a 90% intercept rate across more than 10,000 engagements. That performance is impressive, but it is designed for high-volume, rapid-response defense of cities and populated areas, not for stopping long-range ballistic missiles or providing broad theater coverage. Iron Dome is a city shield. It is not a strategic theater umbrella. The middle layer belongs to Patriot. The Patriot PAC-3 system is the most flexible and most widely deployed of the 3. It engages aircraft, cruise missiles, and tactical ballistic missiles at ranges up to 160 kilometers. Its PAC-3 MSE interceptor uses a hit-to-kill mechanism, direct kinetic impact, and costs between $3.7 and $4.7 million per missile. In Ukraine, Patriot has reportedly intercepted approximately 85 to 90% of Russian Kinzhal hypersonic missiles. But here's the strategic dimension that often goes unmentioned. Current reporting shows Patriot interceptors are being repositioned toward the Middle East, raising real concerns about stockpile strain for Europe and Ukraine. Patriot is not just a weapon, it's a supply chain and global strategy story. The upper layer is THAAD, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense. THAAD is the most specialized of the 3. It is engineered specifically to intercept ballistic missiles in their terminal phase at high altitude, with an engagement ceiling approaching 150 kilometers and range exceeding 200 kilometers. One interceptor costs approximately $12.6 million. A full battery runs $800 million to $1 billion. It does not stop drones or short-range rockets. That is not its job. Its mission is ballistic missile defense, high and fast, before impact. And here is the number that matters most in 2026. Approximately 25% of total U.S. THAAD interceptor inventory was expended during early conflict operations this year. THAAD production timelines run in years, not months. So why does this layered structure matter so urgently right now? 3 reasons. First, mixed attacks. Modern adversaries are sending drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles in the same salvo, deliberately targeting every layer at once. Second, saturation. Volume overwhelms even strong systems. A large Iranian salvo in early 2026 involved more than 170 missiles and thousands of drones. Even an 85 to 95% intercept rate still means warheads get through. Third, cost asymmetry. A Hamas rocket costs as little as $800. An Iron Dome interceptor costs $50,000. A THAAD shot costs over $12 million. Adversaries have operationalized that math. Fire cheap to exhaust expensive stocks faster than production lines can replace them. In 2026, coalition electronic warfare systems jammed an estimated 40% of incoming drone guidance signals in the Middle East, meaningfully reducing the number of kinetic intercepts required. The future of air defense is not simply building more interceptors. It's integrating hard kill and soft kill tools across every layer simultaneously. That is the real lesson here. Iron Dome handles the close-in threat. Patriot covers the flexible mid-layer. THAAD takes the high-altitude ballistic mission. The right answer was never which system is best. The right answer is always, Which threat are you trying to stop? Modern air defense is a system of systems. Sensors, command and control, and overlapping intercept windows matter as much as any single launcher. Evaluate it as a portfolio architecture, not a platform contest. In 2026, the most important fact about Iron Dome, Patriot, and THAAD is this: they do different jobs. And if you confuse the layers, you misunderstand the war.